In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add gold to MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MT5 app, then go to codes, this one. First of all, you need to look here if you can see XAUUSD. Okay, for me, I don't see it. Now, all you have to do is click on this plus here, and here on find symbols, type XAUUSD. XAUUSD, like this. This is gold versus US dollar, okay? Click on plus, and now let's go back to quotes. Scroll down, and you will see it here at the bottom. As you can see, this is gold. Now click on it, click on chart, and this is gold chart, as you can see here, okay? And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.